Welcome back to MVP Auto 08, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving deep into the future of speed, design, and innovation, the 2026 Tesla Roadster. This car isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of what's possible when cutting-edge technology meets groundbreaking design. So, buckle up as we explore everything you need to know about Tesla's game-changing supercar. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2026 Tesla Roadster is nothing short of breathtaking. The aerodynamic profile, sculpted to perfection, is not just for show, it's a deliberate effort to minimize drag and maximize speed. The low-slung body, wide stance, and minimalist curves make it clear, this car means business. Tesla's signature clean aesthetic is evident throughout, with no unnecessary embellishments, just pure, functional elegance. The front end features sharp, angular headlights with adaptive LED technology, ensuring optimal visibility in any condition. Move to the rear, and you'll notice the slim, wraparound taillights and an integrated spoiler that deploys for enhanced downforce during high-speed runs. The carbon fiber wheels not only look incredible but also reduce unsprung weight for improved handling. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels more like a spaceship than a car. The 2026 Tesla Roadster combines luxury with functionality in a way that only Tesla can. The minimalist dashboard is dominated by a large, high-resolution touchscreen, seamlessly integrated into the center console. This display controls everything from navigation to climate settings, putting you in complete command of the car's many features. The seats are crafted from sustainable materials, offering both comfort and support during intense drives. And then there's the yoke-style steering wheel, a polarizing feature that makes you feel like a pilot every time you grip it. While some may miss a traditional wheel, Tesla insists this design enhances driver engagement and visibility. One standout feature of the Roadster is its removable glass roof. With a simple operation, you can transform this car into a convertible, letting you soak in the sun or enjoy the stars during late-night drives. Now, let's talk about what makes the 2026 Tesla Roadster a true marvel, its performance. Tesla has outdone itself with this one, setting new benchmarks for electric vehicles and supercars alike. The Roadster is powered by a tri-motor setup, delivering a jaw-dropping 1,100 horsepower. This setup enables all-wheel drive and precise torque vectoring, giving you unparalleled control on the road. The acceleration, mind-blowing. The Roadster rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds, making it one of the fastest production cars in the world. And if you think that's impressive, wait till you hear this, the top speed exceeds 250 miles per hour. That's hypercar territory, achieved without a single drop of gasoline. Range anxiety, not with the Roadster. Thanks to Tesla's advanced battery technology, this beast offers a range of up to 620 miles on a single charge. Whether you're commuting or embarking on a road trip, the Roadster has you covered. And with Tesla's vast supercharger network, recharging is quick and hassle-free. As you'd expect from Tesla, the 2026 Roadster is packed with innovative features. Autopilot comes standard, offering semi-autonomous driving capabilities that make long journeys a breeze. Enhanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking ensure peace of mind on the road. And let's not forget Tesla's over-the-air updates, which continuously improve the car's software, adding new features and refining performance long after you've driven off the lot. Inside, you'll find a state-of-the-art sound system designed to deliver an immersive audio experience. Connectivity options include seamless integration with your smartphone, allowing you to stream music, make calls, and even precondition the car remotely using the Tesla app. Tesla's mission has always been to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy, and the 2026 Roadster is no exception. By opting for an all-electric powertrain, this car eliminates tailpipe emissions, helping reduce your carbon footprint. It's a supercar that's not just fast but also environmentally responsible. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2026 Tesla Roadster starts at $250,000, making it a serious investment. But considering the groundbreaking technology, insane performance, and unparalleled range, it's a price that many enthusiasts will find justifiable. Tesla has already begun accepting reservations, with deliveries expected to roll out in mid-2026. If you want to own a piece of automotive history, now's the time to act. The 2026 Tesla Roadster is more than just a car, it's a glimpse into the future of mobility. With its stunning design, record-breaking performance, and commitment to sustainability, it's set to redefine what we expect from a supercar. Whether you're a Tesla fan or just an admirer of innovation, there's no denying that the Roadster is a masterpiece in motion. And that's a wrap on today's episode of MVP Auto 08. What do you think about the 2026 Tesla Roadster? Is it the ultimate supercar, or are there better options out there? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews and automotive insights. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.